So welcome once again students. Here I am going to start the exercise 2.5. Question number 1 I have written here, use suitable identities to find the following products. So there are 5 parts in the question number 1 and you need to find the products using the identity. So students, in the previous video I had discussed about the 8 identities and I had asked you to learn that identity to solve the question from the exercise 2.5. So first you need to go through the identities and write these identities in the copy, and after that you need to learn that identity. Here I am going to explain the questions. Here I have written the question number 1, 5 parts are there. So I am going to give the solution of the sum of the parts, and whatever the parts I am going to leave, that you need to solve by yourself. Now here I am going to explain the first part, that is given x plus 4 into x plus 10. You need to find the product. So here one identity I had given, that was x plus a into x plus b. That identity I had given in the previous video, x plus a into x plus b equal to, that will be x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So it is the identity which will be used here. Why I am going to use that identity? If you are going to look the question, here in the question 2 brackets are there, and in both the bracket first value is same, that is x plus 4 plus 10. Here it is just like x plus a into x plus b. So if you are going to compare both identity and the question, then at the place of x is there, at the place of a 4, and at the place of b 10. So if you are going to find with the identity, so x plus 4 into x plus 10, that is the question. So here at the place of x you are getting x, so it will be x square, so it will be x square plus, so plus a plus b, and in your question a is 4 and b is 10. So here plus 4 plus 10 into x, so that will be x plus ab. ab means a into b, so plus 4 into 10. Now it is equal to x square plus 4 plus 10, 14, 14 into x, that is 14x, plus 4 into 10, 40. So students, it is the answer. The multiplication of x plus 4 into x plus 10 equal to x square plus 14x plus 40. Students, here I had written the second part, x plus 8 into x minus 10. Here the difference between the first and second question is that here in the bracket one negative sign is there, rest of the values are in the same way. So here I am going to explain how you will find this. You are having the identity x plus a into x plus b. You are having only one identity in which both the values are same and second value is going to be differ. So here it will be x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So that is the identity. But if you are going to compare, here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus, but here it is minus. So how you will write the question term? It can be written like this, x plus 8, that is x plus a, that is in the same way. In the second bracket it can be written like this, x plus minus 10. Now here x plus 8 and plus minus, again it will be minus, it will be x minus 10, that is the same in the given in the question. Now if you are going to compare, at the place of x is there, at the place of a 8 is there, and what is at the place of b? Here it is minus 10. Now here b value is negative, so again you will write x square, so it will be x square plus a plus b, so a plus, and b value is minus 10, so it can be written as minus 10. Now here you can use the curly braces here if you are going to find this kind of value. So a plus b, so a plus, and b is minus 10 here, so minus 10 x into x plus ab, so plus 8 into b is minus 10. So students, if you are having the negative value, then you need to solve like this. Now it can be x square, and here here a value is 8, so it should be 8 plus minus 10. Now plus, and if you are going to open the bracket, 8 plus minus, that will be minus 10 into x, and 8 into minus 10 equal to minus 80, so it will be minus 80. Now it is equal to x square. Now 8 minus 10, that will be minus 2, so minus 2 into x minus 2x minus 80. So it is the answer of the second part. So x square minus 2x minus 80. Now if you are going to compare the third, here it is in the same way, only at the place of x here it is 3x. So here in the solution you will write here 3x square, that will be 9x square. If you are going to solve the third, that will be 3x. At the place of x you are going to get 3x. So here it will be 3x square, so it will be 9x square, and in the same way you will solve the third part. So students, you need to solve the third part by yourself. Now here I have written the fourth part of the question, that is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. So students, here you are going to get in the both bracket values are same, y square 3 by 2 3 by 2, only the sign is going to be different. So which identity will be used? The identity that is x plus a into x minus b. I had given this identity, it is equal to x square minus, it will be, suppose that a. So it will be x square minus a square, x plus a into x minus a equal to x square minus a square. If both the values are same, only sign is going to be different, so it can be written like this. So again, whatever the question is there, that is y square plus 3 by 2 into y square minus 3 by 2. Here you are going to get in both the bracket values are same, only sign is going to be different, so you will apply this formula identity. So y square at the place of x, y square is there, so y square and its square, x square, but here x is y square, so y square its square, minus a square, and a is 3 by 2, so minus 3 by 2 square, it is equal to y square square, that will be y power 4 minus 3 by 2 square, 9 by 4. So it is the answer of the fourth part. Fifth part is similar to the fourth. Here again you are going to get, it is just like a minus b into a plus b, you can say x plus a into x minus a. So you need to solve by similar to the fourth one. Fourth identity will be used here. So students, that is the first question. So whatever the two question I have left, that you need to solve by yourself. Now students, here I have written the question number third, evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So here these are the multiplication, but you need to evaluate this without going for the direct multiplication. So you will use the identity. I am going to give the solution. So if I am going for the first and second, both are similar, I am only going to give the hint for the first one. 103 into 107, that can be written as 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 into, it can be written as 100 plus 7. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 and 107 can be written as 100 plus 7. Now here you are going to get that first value in both the bracket is same, so you can use the identity here, that will be x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. That is the identity. Why I am going to use this identity? Reason is that in both the bracket you are going to get the first value is same, second value is going to be differ here, and so that identity will be used. Now here x, at the place of x you are going to get 100, at the place of a you are going to get 3, at the place of x 100, and at the place of b 7. So if you are going to use that identity, it can be written as x square. So here x is 100, so it will be 100 square plus a plus b. So a plus b, a is 3, b is 7. So 3 plus 7 into x, and x value is in your question, that is 100. So 100 plus ab, so plus 3 into 7. Now 100 square will be, that will be 10,000 plus 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into 100, that will be 1000 plus 3 into 7, 21. So if you are going to get add this, you will get, that will be 11,021. So what will be the multiplication of this? 11,021. In the same way, you will solve the second part also. So students, you need to solve the second part by yourself. 95 into 96, you can solve this by two way. One, you can write it 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6, and again you can solve just like the previous one. Yeah, you can also write it like 100 minus 5 into 100 minus 4. So by any method, if you are going to solve, the answer will be same, so you need to solve that by yourself. I am going to solve the third, that is 104 into 96. So 104 can be written as 100 plus 4 into 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. So 100 plus 4 that will be 104, multiply by 100 minus 4, that will be 96. Now here you are going to get that in both the bracket value both are same, only the sign is going to be different. So you are having one identity, that is a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. By this identity all of you are familiar. So it can be written as 100 plus 4 into 100 minus 4. So at the place of a 100, at the place of b 4 is there. So it will be 100 square minus 4 square. So 100 square equal to, that will be 10,000 minus 4 square 16. Now you need to subtract it. You will get after subtraction that 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 1, that will be 8, and here 9 9. So that will be 9,984. So the answer of the third part is 9,984. Now students, here I have written the question number 3rd. Factorize the following using appropriate identity. So here 3 questions are there related to factorization. So I am going to explain each and every part. Now solution for the first, that is given 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now it is the quadratic, and you had factorized the similar question in the 8th also. Here you are going to find first and last is the square of certain value. It can be written as 3x square. 9x square is the square of 3x, and y square is the square of y square. Now you are having one identity, that is x plus y whole square, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. I am going to break this value in the form of x square plus 2xy plus y square. So it is 3x square plus y square. Now it can be written as 2 into 3x into y. If you are going to compare 2 into 3, 6, x into y, xy. So both are same, that is 6xy. Now compare that with the identity, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square. It is equal to x plus y whole square. That is the identity. X square plus 2xy plus y square equal to x plus y whole square. If you are going to compare, at the place of x 3x is there, at the place of y is there, and here it is 2 into x, that is 3x here. So 3x into y. So it can be written as 3x square plus 2 into 3x into y plus y square equal to 3x plus y whole square. So if you are going to compare the identity, this value can be written as 3x plus y whole square. Yeah, it can be written as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. So that is the factorization, 3x plus y into 3x plus y. So students, here you had used the identity x plus y whole square to find the factorization of this. In the same way you need to factorize this also. Here it is minus, so there will be identity will be used, that will be x minus y whole square, and here it will be minus. If you are going to compare, 4y square will be square of 2y, so it will be 2y square. It is the square of 1, so plus 1 square, and in the middle term it can be written as minus 2 into 2y into 1. So that will be 2y minus 1 whole square. So you need to factorize by yourself.